A guy with a Rubik's Cube? The hell is that? Why? So he just broke it, so it's not fixable, right?
正在打乱，请勿触碰设备。
The hell is that? The Rubik's Cube makes AI noise? He's trying to solve it with the, like, you know, rotated piece. Can he do that? That's gonna be impressive. How long is it gonna take? He's practicing, okay. He's kind of slow, man. I can do it faster. I can do it faster. I've seen people do this way faster, so... I don't know. Not really impressive. I don't understand what's... Oh, wait. No way. No. Wait. No! Wait!